little artists! Welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub. Today, we're diving into the spirit of love because we're drawing a special Valentine's Day cake. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your markers and a scale because we're about to create a delightful Valentine's Day treat. Let's start by drawing our cake. Picture a rectangle on your canvas. Now, draw another smaller rectangle on top of the first one. Voila! This is our two-layer cake. Now, let's add a sweet base to our cake. Draw another rectangle beneath the layers. Time to make our cake extra special. Decorate the top layer by adding some lines and curves. In the bottom layer, let's add a lovely heart shape. It's Valentine's Day, after all. Now, let's add some whimsy. Draw two lines extending from the top layer, and at the top of each line, draw a heart-shaped balloon. Our drawing is complete. Let's make those outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. Now, let's infuse our Valentine's Day cake with a burst of color. Are you ready to name some enchanting hues? Sky blue color. Rainbow magic. Pink color. Purple color. Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Red pink color. Purple pink color. Ta-da! Our Valentine's Day cake is ready to spread love and joy. I'm so impressed by your creativity. Remember, keep exploring and sharing your fantastic artwork with us. Until next time, keep creating, keep sharing the love, and have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye, for now, my fantastic artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.